Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload. Today we are doing the Brewed Beauties collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab, Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, Pauline from Pandora Muse 57 Nail, and Erica Sue from Erica Sue Nail Art. This week we are doing a happy birthday look for Johna, and I don't remember exactly the date. I believe it's the 18th. I could be wrong. But happy birthday, Johna. Whenever it is, it's your whole birthday month. Let's celebrate the whole month, right? Last week it was Pauline's birthday. So this week is Johna's birthday. And her colors are black and purple. So we're going to be doing another black and purple look, which is fine. I love black and purple. I think it goes beautifully together. So we are going to be using the Gothic Beach palette once again. And I'm going to be using the Aurora Struck as well. Sorry about that. I just turned my phone down. All right. So already put my foundation on. Simply Ageless. And the Simply Ageless concealer. Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, which is, I should powder that down a little bit. I have one of these Touch Behold translucent setting powder from Unique when my cousin used to do Unique, and it's huge. I mean, as long as it doesn't go bad, you'll have it for a lifetime. At my age, I don't bake or anything because it just makes everything more visible. Any flaws. All right, so that feels good. It's a shame that Unique is kind of like an MLM. Because, I mean, oh, and I used e.l.f. blush for my cheeks. All right, let's get into this. So, we are going to go in with that Oh Boy light purple. So, I want something to blend up into. I'm taking it pretty high because of my hooded eyes. I love purple. Okay, so that's pretty high. All right. And that's fine because that's the way I need it to be. All right, I'm going to go into the Piranha Pretty, and I'm going to go on the inner corner with that, up into the crease. I will blend this here in a minute. So, got that in there. All right. Alright, there's that. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into that darker Vixen Vibration. I'm taking it out like that and into the crease. I'm just kind of pulling it over into the other colors. That almost kind of has like a red, like a more red base. And the other has like more of a blue base, if that makes sense. My eyes are not the same shape anymore. Alright, I am going to blend this. Alright, I'm going to go into the black 666. I'm going to deepen up that corner. Just like that. I'm going to do something a little bit different that I never did before, so we'll see if it works out. I'm going to go in the inner corner with that black. I'm taking it real light at first. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time seeing today. Alright, just like that. So I got the dark, the dark. Of course, this one side always looks weird to me. Alright, I'm going to touch that with a little bit. Alright, so I got the black in the center, or in the inner corner. I'll fix that in a minute. the purple. All right, I'm going to hit that light purple, or yeah, the light purple. Let's blend that out a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go into the Aurora Struck palette by ColourPop. Now, I want to do that purple. It's the second row. It's called Comet Seeking. Sorry, I can't. It's hard to see silver on white. And it looks like that. It's a little soft, which is weird. All right, then I'm going to go into that other. There's another purple called Stargazing, which is darker. Go over top. Going over top this Comet Seeking. All right, look at that. Okay, so let me see if I can blend. Where'd that other... There it is. Touch. Let me go back into Gothic Beach. I'm sorry, guys, 12 minutes. I try not to do real long videos, but it never works out. Yeah, it looks a little better. I'm just adding some of the purple back in. All right, let me go back into the Aurora on that darker purple. All right, so now I'm going to go in with I don't want too much black, but I guess I'm going to have to go into... I'm going to go into that Fishnet Fix. I think that's like a purplish... No, it's not. That's more brown. All right, never mind. I'm going to go into the SPF one. I'm going to bring that in about part way. Now I'm going to go into that darker purple. The darkest one, Vixen Vibration. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to pause you. I'm going to go put eyeliner on. I'm going to just use black eyeliner. And I will be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. So I used the Velvet Trap Pure Hell lipstick, and I did a little bit of glitter, although I smeared it. Umbrella Attitude. I use this mascara, which I'm trying to like. A regular black eyeliner. And this is my black and purple happy birthday Johna look. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and many more. I know you had a loss recently, and we're here to help you overcome it and offer any support that we can. Most importantly, you have a happy birthday. Celebrate your life here on this earth. And I hope you have many more, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday and that you get everything that you wanted. And that's all I have to say. Happy birthday, Johna. All right, there's my look. I hope it's okay. I struggled with it a little bit, but you know, some days you have good makeup days, some days you don't. I think it came out pretty nice. I just had to work with it a little bit. Sorry for the length of the video, guys. Remember to go watch all the Brewed beauties. They're listed down below. And go visit our host, Alex, from Makeup Addict 1992. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.